E-Certifies Mastering RMS 3.0 USACE course is designed for quality control managers on government construction projects like USACE, NAVFAIC, DOT, DoD Virginia, and other funded state and county projects. This course helps you understand and utilize the RMS 3.0 software for managing project administration and meeting contract compliance. It covers the essentials of RMS 3.0, from installation and navigation to key tabs such as project administration, finances, submittals, schedules, and closeouts. The step-by-step modules ensure you can handle everything from setting up data to managing contract reports. Each section includes short quizzes to reinforce your knowledge. After completing the course and scoring 70% or higher, you'll receive an official E-Certify certificate, verifying your skills and knowledge of RMS 3.0. Ideal for quality control, managers, submittal clerks, or any team members needing RMS 3.0 expertise. This training ensures that you meet government construction standards. You can learn at your own pace and access the course 24/7, making it convenient to fit into your schedule. Advance your career by mastering RMS 3.0 today with E-Certify's easy-to-follow course and verifiable certification.